Hi, I'm Amber at WTI, and if you love protein bars that are gooey and chewy, this one is definitely going to satisfy you. This bar is very chewy. It is almost like a date bar, even though there's no dates in it. The chocolate and the almond perfectly balance each other. It's not too almondy and it's not too chocolatey. It's right in the middle for my liking. I love that this bar is plant-based, it is clean ingredients, it is gluten-free and dairy-free, which is huge for me. It is so hard to find dairy-free bars that are actually good. It is chewy and satisfying, 10 grams of protein. So this is the perfect bar for on the go as a little snack, or if you're just running out and about and you just need something to tide you over till you can actually get to dinner. So I really like this bar because it is a different style of protein bar. It is not just covered in chocolate and have something crispy cereal inside. This bar is not your regular protein bar. You'll see that it's starting to move down. That is because it's not covered in chocolate. So if you want a bar that you can keep in your purse that's going to be okay to melt, this one might get a bit sticky, but at least it's not going to melt completely on you like the regular chocolate ones would. So I really enjoy this bar from GoMacro, and I think you will too. And that is my point of view.